I know, like, even in your personal life, it's very yucky when you feel like, shoot, how am I going to pay this? I don't have any more money left. So I actually am a strong believer of having plans in place to avoid any of that. So there's some instances where you can't do anything about it, but I always say it's better to plan for the worst. So that way you have a plan for the worst, even if it doesn't cover it. It's a little bit of a cushion when you're there. So, one of my cool stories is one of my clients actually came to me very stressed out. She doesn't know what to do in her business. She has too much going on. In this case, she had many accounts open and many credit lines open. So, what we did is we implemented this oxygen plan to cut expenses, bundle expenses, and really take a look at her income and make sure she's doing everything that she can to structure her business correctly. And then we threw in some savings account because she has two locations, it's per location. And she leveraged the credit card to give her a little bit of a breathing room so she has a little bit more cash flow. By all means, I'm not saying this to get into debt and put everything in your card. I want you to have a credit card so that way you create some cashback value, put it against your overhead. So if the banks are giving you cash for doing the daily spending, why not leverage it, right? So I teach my clients to use your credit cards as a debit card, pay off your balances every month because you should be able to cover those overheads every month. So yeah, I would love to help many more businesses in getting some oxygen in their business before scaling and thinking about investing and purchasing assets, putting that second, third location. So definitely need to understand your profit, how you should be paying yourself, how you should be selling your services or products. This helps kind of get your mind going. And if you haven't already, these books are must-haves. Books I love to read to give more value to my clients. And I strongly believe if you're an entrepreneur, don't stop reading. There's a lot of good stuff in books, in YouTubes. You know, I just love learning. So don't ever stop learning. Is my probably my key takeaway. But if you haven't already, read these books. It's definitely a must read. And if you need help getting some oxygen in your business, feel free to DM me or shoot me a comment. Would love to get on the phone and kind of connect with you. So thank you for watching.